Let's read a formal letter. Write a letter to the principal of your school expressing your wish to continue studying in the same school after class 10th. So many schools have 11th and 12th as well. That's the ISC board. After ICSC, we have ISC.
Yeah.
Many students switch to HSC, that is state board. But ISC is Delhi board for 12th standard. Your letter should make clear what course or stream you wish to follow and why you have decided to choose that course. First, your address, leave a line, date, leave a line, the principal and school address, leave a line. Sir or dear sir. Then you can write the subject. You can write it before dear sir as well. But the subject has no marks in ICSE board exam. Subject would be readmission to class 11th science stream. Probably you had not made up your mind about science admissions. You are confused between commerce and science, and so you've missed the online admissions. Now you're going for offline admissions, and that's why you're writing a letter to the principal. And you're hoping that being a student of the same school, you will be given preference. I am a student of class 10th C of your school, of your esteemed school. A bit of flattery never goes to waste. And have given my ICSE board exams in March 2000. This letter has been written in May. So it seems the results are not yet out. That's a possible case here. In view of the next academic session commencing next month, I wish to seek readmission in class 11th science stream with mathematics. Now, commencing means beginning. Now, in case the results are not yet out, then he doesn't have to worry about the percentage because in-house students get preferential admissions irrespective of your marks. Next paragraph, I have been studying in the school since class 1 and have found the environment very conducive for learning. Conducive, favorable. This should be genuine, okay? Too much of flattery is not good. And you're right, at least 4 paragraphs. 3 paragraphs is the minimum, but shorter and more the paragraphs, better it is. The teaching faculty is one of the best with very good and cooperative staff. There is also a good mix of academics and extracurricular activities. Which school is this? Seems like an ideal school. I would therefore like to continue studying in this school for the next 2 years also. Maybe he's expecting less percentage. That is enough. He knows he won't get into the top colleges elsewhere. The reason in opting for the science stream is my penchant for the subject, penchant love, which is also my hobby. Science is a hobby. Must be taking apart computers at home. I have scored good marks in the half-yearly and the pre-board examinations. The copy of my report card is enclosed for your kind perusal. Use. So clearly now it's visible that the board results are not yet out. That is why he's sending his prelim marks and the terminal marks. My choice of subjects is also in line with my ambition of becoming a top-notch computer engineer. I plan to join IIT after completing my ISC. Well, and ideally for IIT, you have to give the JEE exam, and the syllabus for that matches with CBSE syllabus, not ISC syllabus. So ISC would be difficult for him if parallel to that he has to prepare for JEE also. This is for I see a bright future in the realm of information technology, field, where there is tremendous potential for growth. The academic environment of the school shall enable me to realize my dream. Next paragraph. I don't know why he's writing so much. Simply has to send a check to the principal and he will take the admission. I sincerely desire to pursue further studies. Pursue, to follow. Follow up. In my alma mater, meaning school. Kindly grant me admission in class 11 to the science stream with mathematics, for which I shall be thankful. Yours obediently or yours faithfully, yours sincerely, and your name.